Hello, how are you doing today? Today we'll be talking about subtraction of numbers in column. What does it mean to subtract a number? Subtraction simply means to take away. This is Musa's photo book. It's a picture from his photo book. Out of the 21 pupils in his class, there are 10 boys. 10 boys. How many girls do we have in Musa's class? If we have 21 pupils in his class and there are 10 boys, how many girls do we have in the class? Let's take away the boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many girls do we have left? How many girls do we have in his class? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 girls in his class. But there is a faster way to do this. Instead of us having to cancel all the numbers and count the remaining numbers, we can take away 10 from 21 in columns of tens and units. Taking each column at a time, we can take away 0 from 1. 1 take away 0 is 1. When you take away 0 from a number, it remains the same. 2 minus 1. 2 take away 1. We count 2. I expect you to know 2 take away 1 by now. But let's see count. 2 take away 1. We have 1 left. So you see, 21 minus 10 gives us 11. This is the way we say numbers in classrooms, textbooks, or in examinations. How do we take away a number from another number? Usually, the number at the top is usually more than the number at the bottom. We are going to take the number at the bottom from the number at the top. The first thing we do is to label tens and units. When labeling, start from your left, the tens place and the unit place. In order to subtract, we start from the column to the right, which is the units place. We count 5 and take away 1. Tens and units. 5 take away 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take away 1. 1. How many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 minus 1 equals to 4. Tens place. We count 1, 2. Take away 1. 1. We have 1 left. 1. 25 minus 11 gives us 14. Can you try this on your own? Let's do it together. What's the first thing I said you should do? You label tens and units. But if you already have it labeled, then just go ahead to count. Draw a line in your counting notebook and label tens and units so that you don't mix your countings together. Starting from the units place, count. What do you count? If you say 8, that's correct. Count 8. What's the next thing to do? We take away how many? 4. 8 take away 4. How many do you have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's correct. 4. Move to the tens place. What do you count? 7. 1. How many will you take away? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many do we have left? 1, 2, 3. 3. 78 minus 44 equals to 34. In the next lesson, I will teach you how to subtract numbers when the number at the top is smaller than the number at the bottom.